The Supreme Court today taking up a case surrounding age verification laws for online access to pornography. The case centers on a Texas measure requiring sites with adult consent to implement a system to check a user's digital identification or government-issued ID. ABC News senior Washington reporter Devin Dwyer is joining more to discuss on this. So look, Devin, how did we get here, and how did the justices seem to react to these arguments today?
Yeah, well, Kena, in every state, it's illegal to sell pornography to underage minors at a bookstore or at a newsstand. Businesses can face steep fines if they do, but there are few meaningful verified age checks online. And as you know, it's easier than ever before to access pornographic material. So Texas, one of 19 states that have now enacted some legislation like this, felt that the dangers to kids are so strong that they need to require these websites to now do the work of verifying your age before you come to the site. Now, that process by necessity burdens adults who do have a right to view the material, and today the justices really weighed those two things. The free speech rights of adults to view sexually explicit material online, that's long-standing, against this growing need to protect kids. And at the end of the day, Kena, at this very complicated argument, the justices were very sympathetic to the need that more protections be put in place to let states do that, even though the First Amendment is there. They said content filtering, those sorts of things, parental controls really have not proven effective. We'll see what happens when the court issues its decision sometime in June, but they appeared very sympathetic today to these types of measures. And if this Texas law is upheld, it could mean other states very quickly could force adult websites to verify your ID by a face scan or your driver's license before you can look at the material, Kena.
Interesting. All right, Devin Dwyer, our thanks to you as always.